Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are still in the series of crazy gospel passing chord, and um, we this is the episode 4. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share. We're doing series of passing chords that you can put in. You can use in gospel songs. So real quick on the key of C sharp. So I saw a comment. Someone was saying I should use the song. I exalt thee. Something C sharp. I exalt thee. Right? I don't know if this is the I exalt thee is talking about, but then I'm using this one. So we exalt thee. So the melody. We exalt thee. Right? We exalt thee. We exalt thee. Oh Lord. So this progression is, I'll just play. I think I heard this in Kel Bailey's. He did this song in one of his album. So I exalt thee. Then yes, so this is it. So it's more like a 6-2 flat 7-4. That's what I'll tag this progression now. So let me go from the beginning. So first chord on the key of C sharp, and I might try this on several keys, but on the key of C sharp now. So it is, I'll just teach the first one. So I exalt thee. Then now, so I talked about some few elements of music. Now this thing I'm doing is part of it, where you have time signatures. Whoosh. So now let's break this down. So yeah, so it's more like doing 7-1-7. So look at it. The first chord this, second chord this. So you have, you just do it twice. Right? Next one. So 6-2. So now let's break this down. So you have 5-6-7-1. So this melody now you have 6. Left hand you have B flat, F and A flat. right hand is more like a 6/5. So right hand, you have E flat, B flat, and C. So then you have your 2. Your 2 now, you have E flat, F sharp, A flat, and B flat on your left hand. So I'm stacking. On your right hand, you have C sharp, F sharp, E flat, and C sharp. So, right. The next chord is your flat 7 now. For those of you that I think I did this on, is it the last episode? Can't remember, but one of these episodes where I talked about this kind of voicing, major 7th. This is your B major 7th, which is like, it's supposed to be like this, but now another inversion, so you're stacking like this. So you can just play it like this here. You can even do, for those of you that know, so you can use triad. I did a lesson on triad. I've done a lot though. So so you can do, and I'm doing slows now. I did a lesson on slow too. So if you are lost in this thing, I'm not supposed to be explaining this thing now, you can go back to those lessons. I still have them on my channel. So you can see it. So let's go from the beginning now. I exalt, let's go. Ooh. You can do this stuff with your bass player. So let's go. So let's try this on the key of C now. Let's try this on the key of F sharp now. So let's try this on E flat, or let's say B flat rather, or let's try it on E. Yes. Cheers. Follow for more episodes coming soon. God bless you.